Day 4 of the Kouri Richins trial, morning edition. On the stand, back up again, was Chelsea Gibson. She is the evidence lady, right? She talked about what evidence that they found here and there and everywhere. And when I say that, they did 10 different searches of the home. They kept going back and forth and back and forth. They even went as just February 9th of this year looking for more evidence. We do know that the investigator, Mr. Graber, had something to do with some of these searches. From what we understand, that he has been in the house and then, like magically, things appear. For example, there was a document. They had gone through the house several different times, and then they were called back to look at this document that was on the bed. Well, they'd been in the house, photographed the house. This document wasn't on the bed, but now here it's magically on the bed. Also, there's something with Eric Richins' computer that was turned over to the police. I believe Mr. Graber gave them to the police. Is this police hindrance? Could this be evidence from the fruit of the poisonous tree? What evidence is going to come in or isn't going to come in based off of this investigator's hands and things? We don't know. So there was a lot of, things that they collected and they didn't test and they did test. When they found the tweezers and a piece of plastic inside Kouri's jacket, they only seized those items, but not the jacket. And then they went back to get the jacket. You tell me, is this just police incompetence, or is it that she framed it in the state that as things were developing, we continue to go back? I don't know. And I don't know how this is going to play out, but we will see. Next up was the forensic toxicologist, Dr. Peterson. Basically, she just reiterated what the medical examiner had testified to, just telling you what the levels were, etc., that there was 5 times the legal limit of fentanyl in his system. They talked about the use of the norfentanyl, which means it metabolized in the system. That means that it has to have gone through your liver and gotten through to your bloodstream. So that usually doesn't happen right away, is what she said. So we don't know. We still don't know his time of death. Did he take the fentanyl with a drink? Did he take the quetiapine with a drink? Everything is assumed. We don't know if he did or he didn't. And everything was hypothetical, so there's no way of telling. But we do know that Eric Richins is no longer with us, and he died of a fentanyl poisoning. So make sure to like and share if you want to hear more about today's coverage.